I think the big issue with poor reviews is that folks might not following device instructions on using the Bimini when boating top speed. If you go too fast I could see problems arising, as well as how it is mounted on your boat. I mounted it with a very slight angle towards the front, not elevated to the back of the boat, which would catch more wide and cause damage at faster speeds. The assembly instructions were not very clear but doable. We have used it on our boat for a few times and no issues. Will update as time goes on. Ordered this 3-bow Bimini based on a recommendation from another jet boat owner. Pretty simple to measure the boat's width and order the correct size. Assembly was pretty easy with the included instructions, but they were lacking the measurements needed to locate the straps. I took a guess based on the boat's layout and it worked. I saw a review where someone mentioned the correct drill bit needed to be used and it's a 3-stroke 32-bit. I then put a small countersink in to keep from cracking the fiberglass when the self-threading screws were installed. Had the boat out yesterday and the Bimini provided plenty of shade and stood up to the winds. Would recommend it to others. The main reason that I gave this only 4 stars is because of the horrible instructions. Also, looking at the many photos of the other install reviews, I've noticed that some have the top installed with the main pole pointing to the front, while others have it installed pointing toward the back. The instructions are not clear on which is correct and I can only assume that it is based on personal choice. This is a decent top for the money and I would recommend it for that reason alone.